I'm Kevin Ehlers. I worked for Scales Air Compressor for 30 years, senior field service technician, trained in working on air dryers and all other types of compressors. Today we're going to talk about refrigerated air dryers and their function. It's a piece of equipment integral to a compressed air system that removes moisture from the air. If water gets into your air system, what happens is water gets down into your equipment and it can create havoc with your equipment and cause shutdowns, unnecessary shutdowns. And that's something that you want to avoid. This is the air dryer itself. They come in all sizes and shapes, but right over here is the condenser. So you got a fan behind it, pulls the air through and becomes problematic because it gets dirty and the dryer doesn't work properly. What we do is take some air and just blow it out. Blow out the air. Blow out the condenser. Dirty condensers are probably one of the most leading causes of dryer failures. So keeping the condenser clean is important. It keeps the dryer running cool and at proper temperatures. Another thing you want to look at is the dryers have traps on them which remove the moisture. This is an electric solenoid condensate trap, and what it does is it releases the water on a timer. And this is a serviceable piece of equipment. It's got a strainer here. What you can do is just unscrew this. It's got a little strainer. We clean that, make sure it's clean, put it back together, reassemble it. Some of these units do have a flow type trap. That flow type trap is not serviceable. What we do is we just throw it in the garbage, we toss it and put a new one in. Recommendation on that is every 6 months. Typically, most dryers you can get a kit for, a service kit. And the service kit comes with everything needed to rebuild these traps and keep your dryer running.